Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default browser on macOS. So when you open your Mac or you have been using the Mac, the default browser is set to Safari. So instead of Safari, you can switch to another browser that is already installed on your computer. Let's say you want to use Chrome browser. So what you need to do is you need to go to the google.com and search for Chrome download and download the Chrome for your Safari browser. Once it is installed, it will appear in your applications and it will be appearing here. So if you want to switch to Chrome as a default browser, what you need to do is you need to go to the Apple icon or Apple logo here, go to System Settings. It will open the System Settings window, and here you need to go to the Desktop and Dock, and if you scroll a little bit down, you would be able to see this option which says Default Web Browser. So right now it is set to Safari. You can just go and choose the Chrome browser or any other browser that you have downloaded, and then once you are done it, you can just quit the browser if it is already running here in your dock station. Once you quit it, then you can just restart that browser and it will be added as a default browser. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.